offer the New Patriotic Party me catch them na juma IGP awasanche IGP bi awabagana na onsem fata se de no ameka ye ne say ye de constable rank kura be man no offer the New Patriotic Party me catch them say eni kwan say mutie nasem because tete yo wonu ne boxer socks NDC colors nti yeda obi an boxer socks tete yo wonu ne boxer socks NDC colors na otimi be katire mo say ai akwatia ba election no asundue beba na mugidie ema mu nyinie mo wo vigilante ni bi se de NDC di vigilante be kwa mo for mo nkodon trust tete wonyinu I said it ampa enra asema meka wo fia wo the evidence shows wono ekokoda di ewa akwatia say tete yo no na okachire political parties ni say ema obi amfa vigilante fo nkọ honom no NDC the vigilante fo ko take over kuro no IGP na oka say vigilante fo ba obechi wo no IGP no ene vigilante fo na yeden enam wanche wo. The question is going forward no IGP we betima invite political parties in case of public election be babe baswa oba invite political parties ma MPP akobia na looking at niasie ewa brekuma rerun yema amanfo nyina ntiase se abrekuma na nye by election as say yeti by election ne rerun ase rerun in election or in electoral process no ne tie ne say exercise na ye start ye yan complete ana twumati obi abababi ena bia ya seti eno aside ene yesi yenkoye den yenko rerun eno yenka na by election ne esi abrekuma north no abato onse shemu ne oman ne mramu no yenka no by election na mum aye rerun and in fact oman ne Supreme Court so atima kire mu ne ye frɛ no rerun any by election so akwa kenkan the Baba Jama case no expert Baba Jama Supreme Court decision no 2009 2012 akwatia rerun na ebe kire o say rerun nko na by election nko ne nti ameka say rerun nko no say akwatia hwana nkasa no the year 2012 ye to aba no wie ye no ayi 209 ye to aba no wie 208 no some polling stations bi wo ha wonche ni basabasa ye koso te se ne abrekuma na electoral commission for eye konkonsasem chinchim a wo mu chinchim kunafo nsa egi tumi ne de ma NDC no akwatia 2008 election no ye wie ye no na tax militants vagabonds vigilante groups for akwa destroy some polling station a resource na ballot boxes eti ye wie ye na asem ne travel ya yese delay Dr. Asare na awini yese Baba Jama na awini yesterday na delay Dr. Asare na or represent the New Patriotic Party and na lead eti asem ne travel ye ko Supreme Court ama Supreme Court ne yese polling stations it says polling stations bi wo ha yenko ne yenko rane yenko rerane ehona the definition of rerun the year then eba in our electoral process mu enti yakokwa rerun ye the source no still ano the late Dr. Asare won odinkunim achirei ena okolusu 2012 de no adema Baba Jama olusu rerun no enti no rerun no ebiasi Abrekumanov nana ebisua di kana siwo Akwatia the year 2009 eti process ne start ya ekoba nyina no Akwatia by election no yenim ni asi wada even the rerun 6 polling stations ayekoye rerun no enipa epraye emoje ahwiegu ye ansana New Patriotic Party candidate ye declare because and this in omo try say Akwatia 6 polling stations na 2009 Supreme Court ye say yenkoye rerun no omo try ni ombe ye bia say wombenya motia results will be free by biaba na baba cancel candidate ye MPP candidate MP na no only dino Dr. Asare enti asese pre nipa mamoja hwiegu but figures no mo tali a entali enti MPP timi maintain ye enti Akwatia nkasa no ani ye ko bia no na the New Patriotic Party nim say Akwatia nya ba bia edwo eba elections ho nsensema enti IGP treke the New Patriotic Party IGP here the New Patriotic Party epufu tete ye onu no ba bia duru no oye pensioner senka ba oman ba bia ye de nokora ka asema enka aban na ka kire say he should proceed on leave pending or prior to retirement. Babia did not cry a day, a cancer. Kasana say, by now, no, and Cass Inspector General Police, no crap answer Gipina, old dear, Papa and Namwa, not all catch out say, I feel no open your sister. Obia knew how vegetate your new age in a day, a dear, but also Sana Wenya. Sana Wenya. Nti ande your answer namom you can't cheat nature or namokra no obuahwe utim se 70 years man etini age na oti so nyina stira no sister no ahia ba beto no this year continue etini papa mu no esese ka September ya yesimu no esese ko proceed on leave prior to retirement. Continue. Normally you proceed on leave 3 months to the retirement, you know. Because obeko retirement November, December. And so no, and now say and Crophobia capre the Mahama Huashiano now almost pack a crata frinty no so ya power drunk with all the years ya was 17 Oguso was say as I say oh ye bibi Eddie saw and this year ni say be ya ye best standing the contract na ye amano yes enti President Mahama letter na odi kan ba ye say suspension of extension of contract in all the public institutions in Ibiano 419 because you see akwa Ghana Police Service mu senior police officers mienu retire ya extend no mo contract ya ere ama omo meaning said the possibility of extending tete ye onu contract no ebia 2 years 1 year bidiba man no high na se nipa ne ba be retire November no person ne contract no ye de 2 years ka ne ho na so ye Inspector General of Police ya na opposition party MPP for muntie ne yo say ese mutini ma bia se be ya mun lose hope IGP man niema nyina ye pinso ewo Akwatia no ewo reason eye one ne dikan ne personal interest 2 to make sure say oba skill ne contract of extension no anya 2 years bia ye den aka ho enti so MPP for mote ase say tete ye ono no will try as much as possible now why you be to please the government no because opasa ye extending the contract man no nti we MPP ni na utie mi a police panyini epasa ye extending the contract man no na say ye ko buy election why na police panyin be ya adwuma ama no because police panyin America na asemu yi what the police 30 something years over 30 something years or police mu somewhere 87 nti so call police mu 87 na 38 years in the service or so me eti ya manu 4 years 2 years binya den enso so or lobby free aban no ho aban ni so anya by election a oko eti why na IGP na ope contract no ebe ya adwuma ama no monfanfa comment section ho monfanfa ho na monjeje mo hwe o TikTok mo hwe o YouTube mo hwe o Facebook monjeje say IGP time aso ese so kofie and all lobby for contract extension and a baby all lobby free no wa mo ko by election eti why na IGP be ya adwuma ama no obe ya adwuma ama baby all lobby say ye extending the contract nyere emma no eti MPP for no me kan ka kire mo say because of say IGP per contract opa say ye extending the contract man no akwatia by election no obeyamo bread food obeyamo epu food say o oba stop vigilante oba make sure say soldier ni bia enso soldier fo kokoye ma ewo ho oso oba make sure say vigilante bia nyere ensi ho vigilante fo na nora wo mu take over akwatia by election into oyemo epu food just to please wo mo a o pe bibia ye den afri omo ho. Now under this Inspector General of Police no as I say MPP ni bia ati ase say you don't waste your time say asem to wa obakwa report to under teteye wonu we MPP politician na obi pe wa kuwa find a means of defending yourself because defending yourself in the first place is a constitutional requirement. Self-defense is a constitutional requirement under the 1992 Constitution. And to we MPP politician, not say obi pewa kuwa, maybe a different IGP there. In a different regime there, and I will report to, but under the current police administration, headed by a constable Teteye Honu, and how say obi pewa kuwa uba kwase wo kwa report to Ghana Police Service under Teteye Honu dabi a waste of time. Make sure say you apply the constitutional requirement. Say nedi ka obobo ho ban say be ye obi ameku self defense ewo ho e de magana ni bia say obi ba be di wawu a nedi kan the first in a constitutional man ho kwan say defend ho na obi anye wo nkwa na wabutuafo ankwa ankoye police case say yakuya this year da. And the MPP politicians no mun take note say under Teteye Honu the di kind no said the 1992 constitution why your friend self defense no as some man here adwuma so obi pe wakunwa the anti-American say Teteye Honu no ye no ho say or your bias Inspector General of Police why ye no ho say or yes, selective justice and order by Juma Nimreya Ekitan Tumi Ekitan Samri. Selective justice in the sense is say Musuobi Adidi President Mahamatem Teteye Honu Timba Omo Free Ako Kumase Ekochi Maya Mienu TikTok for Edombe Gumu 3 weeks in here. Musu obi say President Mahama any marijuana a see ya on the 6th of August no mama mo kofa no ma ne beda mu 3 weeks na mom abaya bi ye video say yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia anase MPP Frabera bia ye beyi nu 2028 of which me amete minim say ye Dr. Bawumia na ye beyi no and this nearby ye video aka no video no mu say one be make sure say MPP Frabera bia ombeyi no obekunu obe make sure enti MPP ye nyi Frabera ye beyi Frabera enipa ye beyi no so ye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia tete ye onu si sa video no de ohun ye o and this nearby ya de no o se no ohun ye o che na enye yie na mom ne MPP fo kan ye wo se o madidi President Mahama atem no otimi trezi kokumase ekoche wo mo echi achenkwa na ye den eka ho ede o mo bai echi fanti comedy num ede o mo kokogu mu na mom abaya na so obekum MPP Frabera bia ye bayi no obe make sure say MPP Frabera kro benya plane crash tete ye onu se ohun ye ochi na enye ye because abaya ne de abeka sema eno na ono party ono tete ye onu don no na nije ho nti wanche no na chese uye NDC ni enintina NDC ni beka say MPP Frabera obe crash ne down tete ye onu say o make arrest na mom ne beka NDC President Mahama ho asem na ponti bi ho asem no wo hyensu ase kura na yesi e beba abehwehwew enra ni oye ye nyina no ni afisaka ebia obesua nyansa bia frimu na what depart from the issue of selective justice no ni nyina bia no nyansa sua ni insesan bia mai ye kwakotia ye nyina yenim and the New Patriotic Party at the statement about bonten we saw how near the kind and Niama mienu na NDC second vice chairman wakoso e wakwatia one on one kasa e asoto chairman buga police fo gina ho no arrest and a course wo o asoto chairman buga e ma wiase ya obi ayeden ehun ye me show video no because at time so for Azoka assault chairman buga assault and battery and a course and no so far Zokana ankasa police fo gina almost ye chi na nye yie because your boss will catch there say ye ba akotia ba election and this ni ya dia e maye nche no police fo mo say wo mo kwa ayedo mo kwa akotia no tete ye onu catch there mo say and this ni ya dia e mo nche no enti police fo gina ho ana mo ayi so far Zokana ankasa o asoto tamambuga ono de fa ne se wasia ni nua agoro kwan so no wa asoto no ni bodyguard so far Zoka bodyguard efra kire no wa bebo tamambuga firi na chi abona sum firi na chi police fo gina ho omo say instructions omo de amaye ne say ye ba ne ye bo obi a e maye nche no esi wa kwatia wiase ba bia ayeden ahuni ekoso because police for omo wo honom say instruction from tete ye oni kire say ye bo obi a e maye nche no nti ye nchi obi a ye wie ya bodyguard re bobu ga wie ya so far Azoka na so bo wie ye no enso wow so far Azoka in this country ono aso oda ono de entokwa ene se nipa nwuo eye TZ mano eno no de ye ni TZ nti osore ne se wanya ntokwa ogidi a ome ene se de ntokwa ka ho no waye okay nti ono na te Azoka boys owie no kwa say senko kwakwato afenyo makina nka ne dadua ya amene mu kasai aya 3 September nka brichie asi Ghana nka by election den koso besi nay the so-called Social Democrats, National Democratic Congress, ultimate issue statement. The party or the majority in parliament, ultimate issue statement to say, Asema womo party niya ka threaten, so obekum a colleague member of parliament, and I member of parliament, you know, niya koi by election, no, and kasapa. Enye kasapa na mate se andi sifuo no bi so a o madwene wo fam te se akokodwonso no ese okan if because when him say when it's come to somebody life say who take you be life wa conditional statement bi ani ba bia o se munima me meti asisi ai me na me ka say if se me sia sofo azoka bibi besia ka selective justice man ya otikroma ya man constable fo nyina rank tete ye onu ko ma ya mefa me ko be me ya ba be fa me anti meda case die untimi nkoka meda asem no waka kire me say conditional statement ye den e bada ho dabi once I was threatening statement now oh man you know I threatening what threaten somebody life eti mo amunim hwe na famra ho no mamu ntra social media ho a madwene ayanketenkete te say akokodun so na nka say o kan if say okokoto na if ni say if ni say nipa no e wo the very constituency ho na wo gina wo kasa no na babia nipa no di ka no ko ya wo kosi a kire se okwato no no if no ne mane ni if no ne mane whereby ya babia na ugina no so no na ye buy election ampi bi na awuo na ye ko buy election na wo say senke baba to na nkebe ye another by election e won the constituency ho adie ne beba by election beba constituency bi enti se onim asem na wo ka no language interpretation contest na wo de ka no se wonte ase a mo amunim hwe na andi sefo no mo de ne say mudi akire yo no adie ne beba Ghana constitution ye clear e kwana ye fa so ye by election e wo krom ha continue Eniema miensa pe ebia ampino ya to abama no oye week ontimi nya na dwuma ye yade anti wa resign afri parliament eno ye by election e ma ne ye yie anase ampino afri mu ye by election ma ne ye den eye yie anase ampino across the carpet eniama miensa we enti o say senka oba beto afenyo makina tonation na wo de ka 7 ni militants ya na edi wachi no momuto so kan if na say IGP na nka say lawyer ni ehun sa akwa no awidisem na waka no IGP na nim sa sema so far zo kaka ye no eya widisem na mom ono no wo party kro nti won kye ne enche ne kyena onim IGP ne ye lawyer ni enti onim sa sema akwa ne kan ye no ya widisem na mo wo kye na nyere enye yie aye nyina nim ani braso de kan ye enti ka kwakwato na ubaba na try resignation letter. These are the questions you ever bisao. Ukwato na ka be force afenyo say on try resignation letter because wa baba election wa kwatia na on tresa wa resign as MP wa fitu because wa baba election wa kwatia na no answer na ye no ka won force no enye resignation letter wo babi obekoto no senka akokoto na won kan kire afenyo say on kire letter say wa cross carpet aba ayi NDC dabi enye sa na ka de be no de okwakoto no wo ho a say de osika ye with the donation no say ye kire mu a okwakoto na ka bebu no akunu ka bebu no akunu nti what threaten say okwakoto obi a ka bekunu IGP nimwe nyina na MPP4 me ba kire mu strategy bi ne esi ya ebesi na IGP nkasa ye no wo mo kwa akopɛ judge muntie ne ye o IGP no ma ye meeting oni NDC for na kwa akosia in the coming days and weeks you know IGP ba no ma ye press release muntie ne ye mo baba me say MPP for na mo baba be kasa wo kan ne IGP ba ye ne say in the coming days one back akopɛ second court judge and district court judge bi no mo ne naka say oh aban na kwa ho kire mu ntinu ye pese wo ne wo bu aban no ye call by election no eniema bi siye enti no amamfo okasa enti so far zo ka bodyguard na obo Tamambuga sum no ye de ne beba na ya head charge no ne ya baba ye press conference say amamfo na wo mokoye basabasa wo moto twade ball Tamambuga ene ne so far zo ka ye no ya che mrante no no mo ne judge naka nti ye kan wi a na IGP na oye famfu things no omo the press statement abaso akwatia nsensem no enkrofo na ya che wo mo no ye do omaba enti no omo statement no eye statement ya a disturb public peace enti no court mfa ne omo na court afa ne omo sa na plan no na IGP baba eye famfu akwatia eye kwa abrekuma nofu wie ye no ye chi TikTokers no IGP ma ye do omo baaye ema public ni hu omo e say ye show omo nim no omo won say IGP is working enipa 89 osi abrekuma ya convict omo no womo kwa ye back way aye negotiation sentence ne ye friend negotiation sentence and conviction na IGP any court no kokoye in the abrekuma rerun na mo fi say ye nkra okroma aye negotiated sentence and conviction na mo kokoye na mo do betu dwa one mo ye madwen say enipa 8 ni de mo show mo face aye nsema mo ne court no nyina kokan ya mo negotiate o back door ye nim ni nyina enti sana mo pesa mo ye abrekuma mo wi amoso Tamambuga ya born free sa brante na obo Tamambuga kura ya hunu enti mo ne kasa back door say mo be pesca man onyintum say be ya MPP fo be gya ho asem ka no na mo heda de na court say abrante na obo Tamambuga no ye de na court na court kura fa ne no he discussions na ekoso ya hunu nyina o ya hunu nyina na wo no law books no enfuturo ba so enye ne o enti e ba mra ne sa tricks ne sa ayi na ye nim ni nyina ye ma wati ase se sa tricks no ye nim ni nyina wo lobutu mfuturo ba ho no ye sesa mfuturo no nyina na se ya blocks na edi twa tete ye wo lobutu mfuturo abeguso no se edi twa blocks etimi twa 10,000 blocks enti no e ba sa ne ma na manye wadwen se wo mfuturo aye wo lobutu ma no wo ba be play smart bia wo ba bia ultimate play smart bia wo ba bia enti no afenyo mark na ya threaten no na besi ne Ghana police momowa minority leader or representing the minority in parliament yesi ebekunu besi ne Ghana police mowa The National Democratic Congress emowa ewo kurom ha. Majority in Parliament emowa ewo kurom ha. Yes. Now that officer anytime bia tete ye wonu baye na dwen say ene Ghana police for ebe ye Ghana police service be ye o ma dwen so mo ba be ka sa asem na sofo azoka kan ye no ofe no mba be ya no ye be fa ne say a useless statement bia na enye enra ene from the Ghana police service no a different chinako any statement from the Ghana police service concerning Afenyo Mackenzie, death threat now, so far Zokaye, a different chinako any statement emanating from the Ghana police service, you better consider and say a useless and something like a T-row. Because I feel na makwa dwene ho na mo pa bibi I feel na mo na ndisi akoye meeting and sana Ghana police service e ba be kan bibi a kire Ghana for say minority leader so far Zokaso obekunu no I feel na mo ba kire ma feel na mo na ndisi for aye meeting na mo pa dia mo ba kan dia a different chineko any statement biano from the Ghana police service no MPP e be fan say a useless statement. Yes, you catch them. You have a fan say a statement to be a useless. Na tiuro crown faswo. Yeah, yakano. Because and this if we say a okay say one of second vice bekato bekum minority leader. A okay. The seat of the government. A okay say second vice of one this beka say obekum minority leader. Womu you okay with it. The majority in parliament. And this majority in parliament, woman ye okay say, woman party second vice so become majority minority leader. They are okay with it. Into a team, into any statement, and no statement to be waha. Sen can pipini and the coca so become and this MP or honoma. Can run Ghana police service a issue statement say a channel. Can run Ghana police service statement to form. Can run this issue statement a condemn ye a qualify arrest. But see this in Kasai, Ghana police in Kasai, and tell the free Tinakono, yampa any stupid statement to be a free babia. Yampa sabati, ye some say bottom near fire wandering, and in hands for no, won't to me say ye quite any lessons here. Not only our contract now you have. No right. So the country say who invite political parties at the about office what? Who is that right, Because political parties are quite lessons now, and your force to say IGP Freya yeba. Say any election biano, and your force to say a political party will attend a peace meeting so far as that election here, and your concern. And by force, upana uko na peace council for so among kasa. Peace council for someone to say yes, you obekum obi. Besi ne peace council, national peace council in Kasai. Ye catch them na mo national peace council for no. Etina table sisan. Ye do a mine sika ne tuya mo national peace council for ka. National peace council mon country o mo say me ma bronya me say. O mine sika ye de tuya o mo ka. Na national peace council former peace in mano. The next MPP government betches sankrofone nyinatum for causing financial loss to the state because omuji sikadi but omuma peace in yadan emma and the national peace council members na mo muntie na mun take it from me say sikabia mwaji Ghana for triamamo as members of the secretariat, board members of the National Peace Council biano sika bia o minor triamamo no eye Ghana sika namom bosome bia o minor triamo kase bibi sia mo beba be kan no krema sundua ba no mo de ne se ye ntuamo kana mo taya ban anti ye mo wati ase se take it from me say National Peace Council members etna bi sa ban ne sesa mo san kofo no nyina ba bi obia wo bia se mo da mo ti swi che mo kra ye beti mo atum sika bia ye de amamo because mu duty say be kwafo na say emfa peace ma mo be condemn but National Peace Council for no sikadie kro no any politics na mote National Peace Council ho na mo ye o mine sika ya ma mo budget no na mote National Peace Council ho amudi nkwasiade na mudi sika na bosom ye tua mo ka me say saban sana se mo da hwi mu kra na ye beba be famu afri hwi mu na sika bia mo di no ye mo bu akonta ye wia ne ya prosecute mu because causing financial loss to the state afesu montima ma peace ya ma enano ye rank o man Ghana to say Ghana Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo free so no near that 4th position asundweo near that 4th position Omanya ye was sundwie near that 4th position 7-8 months under John Dramani Mahama ye move every 4th position no akwakodru 7th position Omanya IGP way ofe we yafe see at your mind na position near rank and near kitaye atima say I say non-inspector general police still ano onye na dwen say obepe record papa di ayeren akofie sa record na wudi konkonsa ade kire John Dramani Mahama so dan parama mu onye dan parama mu onye no producer me the mouse see a peace index what you see global peace index Ghana position Ghana's position producer me the amount and impinso say MPP ye free by mu the year 2025 2024 near the 4th position our Sub-Sahara Africa rank no Sub-Sahara Africa near the 4th position 8 months and this by ye boura office ye sisi school dani ye ram crofo office ye sakin crofo ya ban na abano ye move from 4th position atima kwa the 7th position 2022 ye nya 2nd position 2021 ye nya 2nd position and 2024 2023 4th position and ye nya 8 months in office Motimi di omana sundua ye kitaye no ene ko Sub-Sahara African rank na ye nya 5th ye nya 6th ye tima free 4th position adampo akoda 7th position e kire Ghana ye nia sundue na nanu obi aye ne mpabo asofi akotena TV station bi se o Ghana de security ni ye okay so hwe sa global peace index Ghana's position na fi say ye papa 5 mfie numnie Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo amose onye ni papa mo se ne kire wiase nyina no na ode asundue ma oman Ghana eye NDC nkoana na mo wo position na mo hu se asundue wo enne Ghana ye da sore a de ne yete ye na mayam sisiye accident all over atututuo all over enne Dampare rank in the Dahono 4th position. 2023 Dampare rank in the Dahono no 4th position. 2022 Dampare rank in the Dahono no 2nd position. Dampare maintaining 2nd 4th. Ubaye na no wa we ade no 7th position. Omana chundie babi e kono no. I say Yetima move from 55th position in Sub-Sahara Africa to 61st position. We ayam na ye international community no mo ye we nyina no mo fi say mo monitor mo and to trust sama Inspector General of Police or use police for no be dey ye or mind Ghana in this short period no e wiase nyina ehwe no ewiase nyina atwa na report no so no omo monitor mo saa pepepe na akwatia yeguso ye ka akwatia ho nsem na no enya agrobio na atia ne se ye ka akwatia no sika epiemu wa akwatia no say yetimi fa enipa be 18,000 na yakatira omo say ye ma omo times 18,000 times 1,000 Ghana cedis ye de weni aba munya calculation no 18,000 times 1,000 Ghana cedis and this amanyoku mo amwa comment section hono mo famra enipa 18,000 times 1,000 Ghana cedis enra no nkoano wamakoto 18 million atufam 18 million enra no nkoano almost starting campaign in the akon kan yesterday na ye to abanankasa no 18 million Ghana cedis because almo targeti enipa 18,000 voters si etimi nyan ye ko nti ye ma almo 1,000 Ghana ne amfa nyi sit ni yanko nurse nia me ane wo ye ko hospital nurse ni no ene bahweye on ne boy nsuo on na bahwa se me pressure te sen ade na de ma ba honom no sa nurse ni na ye adwuma close to 15 months nie or 14 months yes ye tua ne car enye yie aban we ba o se me tua ne car enye yie teacher ni akira de 12 months nie aban we se me de ne sika mana enye yie because emre bi kura na ye ntua teacher fo ka no se na teacher fo asande yaba da o mo se ye be si teachers house na ma o mo ntia teacher fo na sena to aba ye den amai etu ye nurse ni e sana o feel ye how do you feel say wa ye adwuma na ye ntua oka na yakwa akwatia in a day yet must spend 18 million Ghana cedis voter biano enya 1,000 Ghana cedis we ye teacher ni ase na ofilie we ye nurse ni ye ntua ka ase na ofilie na bisa se ye nuanu mo mu ni bie a mo ntimi mfa o mo ma enko preparatory na aban suku ana ye do o mo bekọ no ehọ na sa teacher fo ye ntua o mo kai asem na me kan wo mo mada tete sen na die na teacher ni wankyere na wantua ne car okọ classroom die na sa teacher ni kwakere ai da se obekere anase onkyere anase so obekere so ade na okere no enya ne yesese okere e na okere abanye niska abanye oba na anu ando kogina Singapore ka kire ye se ono de onkwa abato omoka no yesterday omoboka yesterday only omoboka 18 million Ghana cedis and before answer no almost starting campaign no ye kwakoye e dia penkrofo afrefre dom campaigners everybody who scamai meaning sa kwatia nkwano they spend over 40 million Ghana cedis. They spend over 40 million Ghana cedis ewa kwatia but the teacher for you ntua omuka ye have across to 20,000 teachers unpaid for the last 10 months. You will close to 10,000, 12,000 nurses. Yentua omuka for the last 10 months. Nti akwatia sika omuko tuano. Uye teacher ni, uye nurse ni. Mo amoso ya dia lawane yento teachers for na yento. Yes, unto ya wasema. Me amiti I don't need 1,000 Ghana to survive. Me amiti I don't need your salary now to survive. Otiasiye, esa otiasiye sa. I don't need it. Me here. Na mom aban bi baya oso. wona meme dwene wo ho ana sa aban ne dwene wo ho ana so dwene me ho afa wasem kɔ ana aban ne de na asem kɔ ana ne wo se onfa na asem mmra no obaye o so ontua uka enti sa obekɔ akɔhwɛ party na odwene wo ho a wo so onfa na asem nkɔ asande na ba eno na ewu decision na party na obeda daus kan sem bebre no ma na kotena fia eno no ye decision se woni gi party na no meminim se woni gi ho because na no teacherfo kire ade emfie miensa ya maamo abosom miensa katua enso sa teacherfo na ehuri boso NDC yes because NDC I promise you say Oba obesi adan teachers house in teacher dabre. Yes, and nam say teacher for do na so no and take it time and read the NDC previous manifesto nti. Wo mo 2024 de no omfi say at the foforo because a teacher for and take it time and read the NDC 2012 manifesto. Nanka teacher for no mu di NDC at 2024 no. Se ko mu nya adaje read the 2012 manifesto and ko mbe hu say teacher dabre no na wo 2012 manifesto mu ana 4 years o mantimanye ena o mkoye ana 2024 o masana repackage ana mu hu na de foforo because nipa yara yirefire eno no ya nditi fo na ka sa akire mo ampa so wo mu de baaye no enam se na no ndisi fo manifesto na munya word verse with the manifesto nintie no omo di bebiri mo ni so ama mo hun say Newton but teacher dabre no enye Newton e wo NDC 2012 manifesto mu yes meme kura na meme hia teacher dabre me hia teacher dan ni bi no ma hu ni ewom nti wa na ye kan fa ho no munya adaje e fa wo previous manifesto abakwa ka mo hun say e scam na abanya waba wei amomo comment won na be decide abanya ontimi ntua teacher fo ka omo ho sesei no a teacher fo momo wogidie se wo dan de obetima siama abanya onyan ayi se wo si dan baako 2 bedroom wo de fa ne se wo ye ne biara 2 bedroom toilet and bath fan say wo ye ne biara ankoso kura na be koso 200,000 Ghana cedis wo da me na maye ne sa 2 bedroom wo ye ne biara e be koso 200,000 Ghana cedis fan say o mo na ma plot we assassin kan ho fan say ban kura na ma plot no na say 2 bedroom toilet and bath ho kakra bi fia bi mrante ho kakra bi fia bi eno ka ho a ebe cost 200,000 Ghana cedis no ye biara 2 bedroom na banya ontimi ntua teacher ni ka 2,000 Ghana cedis ebe ka kire say obetima si 200,000 bedroom 2 bedroom at the cost of 200,000 a teacher for so can go over 200,000. How? Anya no kore. A teacher for can go 200,000. A banse ane de obetimanya 200,000 Ghana cedis. Ediasi 2 bedroom. Ediama 200,000 teachers. Namom sabai no enya 2,000 Ghana cedis emfantua teachers ka a month na still ano amanfo ogusu di akira e scam etese wa hu se ye ade na odi akire no owura wo ya di tete microfinance bi na eba ko ye na ti wo ya di microfinance na eba ebebu nkrofo faso no enu bi achi na aba be e scam na sika kosu areho pa me reho ne se sika pie mu wo ho ba bia na meto na me dwene me yamu me dwene ho na me di ho yaw ne se enti sika we wo ho de a ade na ban no entua nurse fo ka ade na ban no entua teacher sika producer yi video na na omo di sika epete no scan no bia hu ene da hono na emrantie ne mabawa ye call akwatia by election by ye ne tuturo MPP members ni bi na akwatia no na ama party no some are attacking the party leadership general secretary na be here and there enti no akire say yakwa akwatia by election ye lose until the party is finished. There is no party leadership on nye. Semanya time I follow by election trend in our country. Kaye nyusu akwatia by election enka say ye lose akwatia by election ti MPP a week. Ama mo atake kodua na B and others. Yenya time na yem follow the by-election trend in this country. Na yenya proper assessment. Na me amemeti ye. Me nyusu. Me research ya me ye nyina embezi on a by-election enka se political party bi eye week. Dabi enti mrantia ne mabawa ye nyina anim. Se wa by-election ye course we no. Akwatia na nkasa na division na ewo honom no ye wie na ehun say se ye kokoye primary sikura ka niam abesai ene ye fa obi a one fashions ni bia nyeden eni asem ene edom ye wie ye frabera fo ya bio akose obi achi aka kire ne say senka mpipi ma mo ko primary sia ka mebro sika ma wo wa we ne primary si no na MPP for tenan kran na yama wanko primaries no na nka wo ko primaries na nka wo na ebe bro sika na nka ye odi aboa na nka wo wawe ne enye nokore ye wie ye na omo he da ko constituency ho akoko yes omo ko akoye campaign but na omo boa campaign na omo ko ye sebe ya constituency 275 aka no ebe hu so aspirant way no akwatia ono so koboa me ka chem so mo ko say niema eye 419 campaign no mo koye na producer pa brantia na communication officer na no she Jeremiah no penasem o kan ye na party for no fanye assessment na ye misa se frabera ben ena koboa nkrofo ano ena o ka da ka kire o mo say nipa sumasi ye mi nipa ena ya ma na nko primary da ben ye open se primary ti kura kwa akokọ so enso otimi koboa nkrofo ano say ye wunti ena MPP anko primaries ena o mo bo o mo nkrofo ano so ye be sha atade aba ma nipa huye na mom ni MPP be ye bia no ye be kwa akoka kire NDC for na sa nipa no MPP police station executive se mo anyere mo ho antoa ba ne kasia so antia ne sa presidential primary say be ko 31st na MPP anye yie because I lesson way se mo to aba ne tia ne heavy pa obakwa akope ba bia tena no hu say MPP hia ne biem Eniema ekwaso eniema ya MPP ye meetings ahodo nyina ne ye no na safra bera na one nam aye Honorable Kennedy Japan one ne nkrofo na omakoka kire NDC fo Honorable Kennedy Japan one ne nkrofo na omakoka kire NDC fo producer bo voice no bo video no bi antie
and a B, some of
these aspects is not troubling. Given
we are waiting for them. We are waiting for them. We know the plan they are taking. So we are waiting for them. Let me tell you, I cannot say anything in public. But yeah, let me tell you, let me. Yes, I'm a communication officer in the party. Constituency communication officer in the party. We have people in the MPP, and let me tell you, we have people in the MPP. I mean, you can say MPP divided two. So we have their people on my information because I must say, I na call you for my MP, I na call someone to the back, almost all you can. And to me for them back. And to almost the amount of fat, Solomon, I say on the bed by Omia, and I'm the back. So MPP divided into two. And to so we are telling you people, BDS, say, I had here, Nippon and South Penny here. We have people in the MPP, and let me tell you, we have people in the MPP. I mean, you can say MPP divided two. So we have their people on my information because I must say, I na call you for my MP, I na call someone to the back, almost all you can. And to me for them back. And to almost the amount of fat, Solomon. I say on the bed by Omia, and I'm the back. So MPP divided into two. And to so we are telling you people, BDS, say, I had here, Constituency communication officer in the party. We have people in the MPP, and let me tell you,
MPP for Safari Matibi. What to be? MPP for no bebo money. Oh, we are so Obodini. Obodino, Obo Frabera Crodini. Say, I must say, in crop was or me Kennedy. Until near Kosubiano, MPP is divided into a mote. MPP polling station executives, one Amodoso, constituency executive, Muntian you, or say, a Quatiao divided. Now I must say, Nin crop was or me Kennedy. Until near Kosubiano mote. Until near Kennedy, Quaye or controversy, and I a fan fail. Or we are no akase, Nipano ye say, until Mamon Quatuaban in Yeremano. Until 31st January, polling station executives, Mumpiana Montuabana and Nibraso. Obia Obama Musika Biana, Scania Wabaimu, as a second man, one farmer. Sa aspirant of one in now, more Fremonu Biano, I almost see a Sky was Sky Momano Biano, or Ba Kennedy Sika Onyaya, a MPP. Wamoba Muni Namuni Namuntua Bantiano, Okwa was in Northwa. Regional minister no wo. Omnia office, Emma party Nimbian benefit. Omnia office. A BBPA Western North new region. Project ya kwa region numu Western North no. Enyase Kuma. Project akasi. Party for am benefit ba kokra. Party for kwa ko pe bibi wa Western North ho a. O se hwi ni ho. O ye no BBPA won kran. Party for nyahwe polling station for am benefit o. Regional minister na o se ne office hwi ni ho nom no. Ene ono no se wasi fie e o East Legon e dia check Kennedy Japan. Regional minister na obenya sika wo MPP mu no a o ka kire MPP fo o mo Western North for say hwi ni party ni mu no sa regional minister no no anya sika ti fie a check Kennedy Japan a ono no so wa dane ti o Kennedy Japan so wa dane 277. Kennedy Japan e baba bontimba kan yo oso wa dane 277 and two Western North for muntie na ye na misa former regional minister say Kennedy Japan na o wa dane 277 no a dan na o wo no nyina no oso nyankrofo mo han enti nkusie ne kokote ne kankane ne dabo ne mponche ne dam no Roxy Obina or Dick Kennedy Japan campaign him. Our Western North Hono. Atima Kwako Sidani, Asana the American de Japan. I'm an aqua 278 houses. Now Roxy Obina Baden Western North for why? Wababa catch them or say. Party is in Nanso. And the Western North for 9 constituencies in Yinano. Polling station executives for no Mumpie Namon Kotwaba Makanadi Japan because ono Rosin Obino and the one Munyam our Western North and in the Onoba Kano and a party for no betie. But Obio wa done 77 I'm punching a damn nipanam. Yet minya regional minister Yamani post. Now one more polling station ni ba kokra. One more constituency ni ba kokra. One award contract ba kokra ma police constituency officer biano e mane timi nya sika wo party no mu e bank nan e be sifio ayi East Legon say ope Kennedy Japan asem enti wa che ne fie obi o wa da ne 277 now wo Western North no obisa say madi party na chi sa che 2-bedroom manyabi madi party na chi ache pa se we also protomatima tobi Madi party na chia chepa kontomra protomatobi. Madi party na chia chepa dwaboso protomatobi. Madi party na chia chepa biaso protomatobi. Bia is protomatobi, bia west protomatobi. Madi party na chia chepa bibia ni protomatimatobi as a polling station na regional minister na ono ne sa Western North ono na ye ogolono. A party in a regional minister one more biano. Wasana Kosifio East Legon. At the amount of your 277. No, we are who read the campaign him. Say, or Quaco catch the Western North for say. Or trap polling station for no baby or Montour Mabanco na Obu Musay. And tis hard dino. I will see or they are taking the Japan East Legon. Sedano ye 4 million Ghana cedis ya. Constituency for saying and a 4 million no ye betimi dia invest wo mumu our Western North ho. Polling station executive saying and a 4 million Ghana cedis no ye betimi dia ma ye investment. Ye wo power no o sika ni ho. And na ye wo opposition no sika onya wo power no o dia tofie dia ma obi o wa da ne 277. Yabasramo Western North for mama ni na ho na regional minister Roxy Obina wa hura di campaign anim a wose Western North de ono kasa na MPP ni bi adafam na ono no de ye dadaba e wo Western North ho no mon kan kire ne say Canada Japan wo 277 houses and nay would the another house akwa kan ho na ye 278 MPP Western region besides was party Western North was party office in Palma 2024 elections as a regional minister 9 constituencies sign na other man 9 constituencies need one more capre and so nay ni onya free Western North no or say this will be by a president into on the dear chile. To say the upper cabinet minister until the onya ya one farm mamano or the abeto fio East Legon. I'm obi o dana nipanam. Can you believe that? And the momo de oba no be kasa muhuna or ye dada bathroom ko e Western North wo. Ya basramo. Munkanya mo ho. Ye be pon ano no. Yoko enei Matese Kofia Peluso Remo Achaya Ochia ne dia ne se ochichi na mom eduru se attorney general kram prepare obi mfa nkokwoto a evidence ni ho opo obi a wa embarrass this government pa eye Remo Acha na ye ne dia ye ni age se ogusu wo ho na da bi odi nkrofo ko yoko ho ampepi fo ye ni je ba ko pa pa a ye nigye ne say da bia Remacha de nkrofo eko yeko ho because near the kind at the end of the day no obia wo man mo habeti ase say echi a ye chi nkrofo nyina no aye chi hunu starting from Adubuahin ye chi Adubuahin ma Remacha prepare press conference edi gu e ma Attorney General cooking can ye di free or this say Attorney General ni monyama onya ye bia no a ningwase ka no e Remacha say 22 houses Adubuahin akwa ebra na oye Director General Signal Brewer ni na onim wanya investigation ye ayi time na oye Enkwara newspaper no propaganda na ye as an editor of the Enkwara newspaper no sa propaganda no de akotena yoko ho no na propaganda ye de publish ye de your stories no ye mfa sa propaganda no enko state organization because what they who can ye be demanding evidence in na ye bibia at the end of the day evidence is the ball of the game until you can't do anything without the evidence. Until se say no ye safa ho kwan bia so mbe faso a se say no tatise omo fan say Attorney General na ankasa no because obia nim say nyi ne de ba mra onim obia nim Remacha ya na koye press conference draft ye de ko ma anyi ne ko ka na e ko say ne ho edamaji no. That is why for some time now no Adubuahin case no anyi ne na nkasa emeka ho asem because Remacha say no Subana no de war Enkwara newspaper a odi tro man newspaper no gu ye no sa Subana no de aba yoko ento oba chenkrofo anso no bibibia no sabesi nei tama wontumi da mu krosu 2 weeks ye me say who say why ne ever china ma detain in 2 weeks ne afi say matter ne ye so serious na nipa kro egusu ye dai be sin ne ye ntimi mfa ne court 2 weeks ye matter ma wontumi bail say e ko 2 months nie ye man bail e ko 2 months nie o docket bia no wa ye de ne court docket bia no wa kire say chama wontumi akoso financial loss ntia because wo mo court na enkosi aga enti ya che ne kwa say ye che na ama na ye den aka na no atum eho o mind ben na ye serious wa ye betu obi manipa na dam 2 weeks ye be manipa ne be 2 months nie na be si na ye mfa nipa ne court o mind ben ya monka ma entie o mind ben ya antwetwemu ben na mo ye forensic investigation say na mo de wontumi akwa na because kwadu a mo de kwagire an ne nyina no mo hu se mo de wura court damu a abana nim begu ase nti se asem na nwene mo so ne nyina ne se Remacha ese se NDC party no ese se NDC aban no ese se president who Remacha say ni days at Enkwara newspaper as an editor no Sasubano no de aba yoko office no na ye pass nei oni kisia jaben so asesa so na da bia omoko me twan entokwa no na nyame ya adoma next week ma be bie jagu omumienu so entokwa na Remacha ne kisia jaben start ye no e de say na me de be bratiefo nyame ya adoma Monday entokwa kisia jaben versus special prosecutor fight to be a start yo nyame ya adoma me de be bra mu Monday mi be num momahu oni japa so fight bi so ye den e boboba enu ma di kana bobo so Remacha for you bibia ye nka say ono na eye ena so akofa Kofi Apalu nti ye tie oba chichi nkrofo ana officer owoma ne say ayi oye niam boni na oye unpopular no head akoti MPP ni bako but niam oye mi ametie me kan da bia me he Ebeye kakra kra show no ma ya free yoko. Ebeye kakra ma streaming live e dia free yoko. Main gate ho obi antimi nya me foko. Me ba be sisi me machines wo ha na me fro go tin nya me foko. Anko ba bia so. Asase na nya dia. Anya dia. Na wo ye niama wa frɛ bloggers. Akwa chuku japa wa frɛ bloggers kisia jabin de me mpasa maka kire wo frɛ bloggers no wo ye lobbying se na ye lobbying wo lobby because ne ntia wo the Monday de ntia Raymond Acha na nia bring national security wa opesa okwa o say Japan nyina no Monday meba be bie fela ne yi namom nano oye kululu ne nsem mebaka na wa ase Raymond Acha ebra okoya ase acting executive secretary okodi trogu ni boss so e wo Jubilee House say ne boss no ni tiwa aguso di nkomo na case bakura na o consult tiwa ado no aye de yi ni boss no call national security no me ka sa asem no wie ya ne bloggers na ono omukoye meeting no na me no me wunim sa meti kroma dada no hey with the 1,000 bloggers etuma so mumra me so a one bomb ebe break it me da me no me ayo me ya Russia ni Ukraine me ma me free Ukraine na papa ya Russia ni o enti bomb no me anu bia no eya adwuma o enti wo no me fight a prepare ye until the 1,000 blockers bar so mumra bronya so a me one bomb pe me blaso o nyina o survival enti no wo no mo meeting ni ko pa jawie ye no. Then you invited Black Rasta to your office. Say, abronye, say Black Rasta so office no didie. Wona no, we know. And after Black Rasta say, abronye tata minti kabi mame. Na Black Rasta so jisika se ni bottom. Owie no akwakotena obi station. Station na wabienu. Time Black Rasta mon kanche Black Rasta say. Station na odi kwaji sika Raymond Acha office no. Station is struggle to pay the workers. And to say the station ni din akwaji sika free Raymond Acha wa ukwa ma station ni bi na station ni bre. Because mo sankrofo say no Black Rasta no musuban bi say no na ka ho bia Ghana mpanyimfo binom pese omba bia adwuma no. Nedi kan Black Rasta sana host for no binum tie okroma o station no struggle so obetua na workers ka onya akwanya tena console ano a no the station na kwakọ kremu sika kese e wo baabi oba no oni wa baba ye adwuma ama baabi okoji sika no na station ni struggle se bosome so a obetua large bay station ni struggle se bosome so a obetua tax VAT income tax and send our 2 hour workers ka but obi program all yet to say Black Rasta de no okwa bola so ba no obebom nya obi na to microphone no obi na bia station na ma meboa fine ana obi afra o say abronye tata no ana okwaji say ho ko ye no station na Black Rasta wo ye adwuma station ni struggle so betua na workers ka no ukwaji envelope kase na Black Rasta saying now the man station na struggle to pay it workers no saying now the man ebra Raymond Acha frɛ o ne office ema wo sika say abronye tata ntu nya na fire no oh na Black Rasta say I will do everything you can't do foku question me bisa wo koro Black Rasta ne say ukwaji sika na wo so be fire me wo so no so no sika na odi ye say na the man station na entimi ntua na workers ka enti ukọ no office wakwaji sika no meti ha ya o ne ye course bibibia no enini Black Rasta me no ba be ko no sa pepepe enti ukọ na se ukọ jeje bribe se o ba be fire nkrofo wo so no so a eya ma station ni bisika ni bi because wo show no ton ade ma some politicians ne nkrofobia unimomo na wa discuss obotom enti ukoba ma station ni bi na station ni bre so obetua na wakasika enti ne wabie gate na tum afi na me no be ya adwuma okrom ha na han na odi aba no so no esese wo nsa waba animal farm emwa bia won bi emwa mo wa abotre e wo hia tv o mo wa ha emwa o madwene nye e wo ha o mo mabodam so akwa chichi so wa ha enti be ready. Be ready. Say you know but yet na me no fight we no bi no a small fight mame. Ah, we better from one survival. Wakwa sika. Sika na kwa say obe fire me wo Black Rasta program a wo ye no. Station na ya odia. Asa kwa sika no duru ye na you account to the station. Oba account to the station. Okwa sika no say na the man station na a struggle. But some station no struggle to pay you Black Rasta. Mo kan be na Ghana empayimfo nya sika. No mo mienuma no. No mo de atoto kasa kese odam no owu anu awu because mo ye nipa bonefo. Obi bia ni station na mo de station no make money. Station engro sa de sitia na etie because mo the station nam na mo de bribe akase e bi na akoye o remoacha office no wo ji ska wie ya de tinya wo say I'm going to fire abronye o wie na the video no Sunday remoacha na remoacha say thank you can't fire me no him say game you can't fire me. You are just sending him the video say sikana the man wo office one wo ye ho adwuma na remoacha be ma turns up. Bro, link up. Yes, I know this Sunday. Oh, bro, link up. Mu dia gro. With the Monday. Me Jan sem ni bi wo ho. Na wakwa give fight ni free room match ho say. Ube ye di besia. Ye di besi so. Ni ebe hu krom ha. Ye di besi ni ebe kwa no sa pepepe nti don't worry. Afi na game na start so don't worry. Ye na